Hi, welcome back to St Blazing Model World. This time it's a video that is slightly different. A friend of mine is building a model railway and recently asked me what I might include in a high street scene. And that kind of got me thinking. Some things are obvious, you're going to need a road and some shops. But what else might you need? And the same would apply to a railway station, or indeed a bus station. And so what follows in this video are 3 slides, 3 screenshots of things that I thought you might need to include if you were going to build a detailed model of either of those scenarios. Now, if you're not used to taking screenshots, then by all means pause the video at the appropriate point and write down the list of items that I've included. And I have to say, they're probably not the only items, they're just the ones that I thought of in terms of detail for these things that you might want to include. So that's it really, wraps it up. Nice short video, point of difference. Hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe. Take care, we'll see you again soon on St Blazing Model World.